Okay, wait. Yeah. Man, today we gonna do something real simple. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all can follow along too. I'm doing a splatter custom on some black Air Force Ones. So all I'm gonna do is just show y'all exactly how to do it. The taping, all the prepping, the acetone, all that kind of stuff, splatter, finish. You know what I'm saying? All that little stuff. You know, show you little tricks and tips on how to do it. Something simple, something that add a little pop to your customization game and everything. So let's get it.
Regardless of what you do, no matter what it is, you gotta know who you do it for and have a good reason. Otherwise, you ain't solid. If I ever see the day that I come home and I ain't happy with my situation, would you be there to gas me up just like a service station? If cops invade, would you be down to give an explanation? Answer the door like, hey, officer, everything's amazing. Would you support me mentally no matter how I'm feeling? Would you be superwoman for me, girl, if I'm a villain? And I ain't living without you, even if I make a killing. And what we got going right now ain't really got no ceiling. I got a sweet suit full of shawty, think I need a feeling. Throw a stack for new acrylics, girl, forget a feeling. Can't explain what I've been thinking, yet or what I'm feeling. Drop the heat while you been thinking, and I'm back to chillin'. Gotta cross my T's and dot my I's. You and me, girl, we gon' thrive. When I make music, I'm alive. Don't trust you and none of your guys. And I know you on my demise, but you confused who on my side. Hit my knees and close my eyes. Pray I'm humble while I rise. Pipe down for a minute. Outside looking in ain't what you thinking till you in it. Everybody judging, but they never wanna listen. A day inside my shoes and how you looking at me different, yeah. Say pipe down for a minute. Outside looking in ain't what you thinking till you in it. Everybody judging, but they never wanna listen. A day inside my shoes and how you looking at me different. How you looking at me different? Tired of pictures, love my fans, but I just need a minute. Tired of all the attention, tired of all of this tension. Smile at me in my face and throw dirt on my name and mentions. Laugh at me when I said I would make it, but she ain't listen. Treated me wrong.
Alright, the colors we'll be using. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wrong days I was broken, you wanna fix it. Ain't no way you can fix it. Time been ticking and ticking. Your conversation ain't making me money, then I don't listen. Been contemplating on getting the roller, you getting fitted. Remember them days of not having cable, it's been a minute. Record books I'm a bending, breaking them in the ending. Giving it all I got till I make it across the finish, yeah. Gotta cross my T's and dot my I's. You and me, girl, we gon' thrive. When I make music, I'm alive. Don't trust you and none of your guys. And I know you on my demise, but you confused who on my side. Hit my knees and close my eyes. Pray I'm humble while I rise. Pipe down for a minute. Outside looking in ain't what you thinking till you in it. Everybody judging, but they never wanna listen. A day inside my shoes and how you looking at me different, yeah. Pipe down for a minute. Outside looking in ain't what you thinking till you in it. Everybody judging, but they never wanna listen. A day inside my shoes and how you looking at me different.
hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man. That was something simple. That was something simple and light, man. Something that y'all could follow along to. Some, you know, entry level or whatnot. So make sure you like the video. You know, go and run them likes up, man. Let me get about me 35. Give me 35 likes on this channel. You know what I'm saying? So like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't already. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, man. Join the squad. You hear me? Cause there's 1,000. We giving away a brand new pair of custom cadets in your size. Come on now. I know you want that. So go on and subscribe, run them up, get to the G-ball. And I'm gonna catch you. Okay.
I know the truth sound like hate, but don't be hating the truth. You got the news, now I ain't snoozing, I'ma do what I do. Mine on the loot, don't be a fool, nigga ain't worried about you. Dive in the pool, what's up with you, little nigga, gotta be cool. Tryna put that private up and keep it up.